Excel exercises number 2. Enter the following text on the same cell. In column A, check number. Column B, the date. Column C, item description. Column D should be the debit. And then column E, credit. Column F for X, and then G for balance. Now, resize the following by changing them in rows and columns. Then change the format of column A to number, column B to date, format column C into general, and then columns D, E, and G as currency. Now enter the following formula in cell G4. But enter the following first: the data in column A, then the dates in column B. Make sure that the format of column B are in date. Next, input the following items in column C: January paycheck, Shell Oil Corporation, Pink Palace Enterprises, cash, Dr. DJ Houston, rent, drug sales, bail, Benny the Weasel, rainy day quarter fund. For the debit, enter the amount. Make sure that this is formatted to currency. Then the credit, which is in column E. Now manually add the formulas for each column in cells G. G5, G6, G7, G8, G9, G10, G11, and then G12.